Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing okay. So, I decided to make this video very fast, alright? I'm going to make a script in Python where we can get system information. Okay, so let's do it. Open your favorite text editor. Let's import the platform and then import get pass from date time import date time. Right, so now I'm going just, if you guys want to do something fancy, go ahead, I have no problem with that, but here I'm going right away to the functions. All right, so print enter computer name, right? So here platform.node, perfect. And then print can be architecture, right? So platform.architecture. So one more, print running OS, platform.system, close again, and then print. Now we can do like a OS version, platform.release, and then print. Like we could do like the processor to get information from the user. So let's do it processor platform.processor, and then print username, right? Get pass dot get user. All right, so we're done here for now. All right, so let's save it. os.py. All right, let's try it. So Python 3 os.py. Python. So here, let's check this. All right, Python 3 os.py. So here we have the computer name Ubuntu. Exactly, that's my machine. All right, so we have the type of the architecture is 64-bit, OS running Linux, OS version, right, processor, and username. All right, so this is my virtual machine. If I run my real machine, I'm going to have another result, right? So, well, this works for any kind of operating system, right? If you have Python installed and make an executable or something like that, you can get this. So thank you guys for this video. It's short, very short. It's like the most short video I think I have in my channel. Right, thank you anyway. Have a great day, a great afternoon, or a great evening, and keep in touch here in my channel. If you need anything, you have any doubts, send a message, I will answer. Comment this video if you like, give me a like. All right, if you like, also subscribe to my channel, and keep on. All right, see you guys, bye.